I don't know whether you are like me, but I do not want to run a small business for a very long time. And the reason is that small businesses have really a lot of trouble because you have to be part of the business. If I am not there, the business does not run. And one of the ways to be able to grow a business, which we call scaling a business, so that you can separate yourself from the day-to-day activities and so that you can be able to run a real business, is by creating a team. And one of the reasons why I create a team is because I want to scale a business. And today's episode, it's all about how do you build a team? Where do you start in building a team? And join us for the episode. Welcome. So hi everybody, welcome once again to our channel. We are excited to have you here. Today we are talking about building a team, but before we do that, there is something I have to ask you to do. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and also on the bell icon. The reason we ask you to do that is because we are releasing content frequently and we do not want you to miss on any of the episode. We are talking so much about how to build a skill of a creative and how to build a business. My passion is that you as a photographer, you as a filmmaker, you are able to increase your skill. Not only that you are able to build a business that sustains you, your family, your friends, and also your colleagues. We are here to build businesses as a creative. So I want you to subscribe so that you cannot miss any episode when we release weekly. So click on the subscribe button below. It will really help us. Also, click on the thumbs up button, the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. So most creatives, especially in my circles, are what we call freelancers. Freelancers are people who are called on project to project basis. They don't have a business, they don't have a base. They are called freelancers. They just go to do business as themselves. And when they are sick, their freelance business is sick. When they are not feeling well, their business is not feeling well. When they have traveled to see their parents up country, their business has traveled up country also. Why? Because they are the business. Those are what we call freelancers. They work alone on different projects. E.g., a portrait photographer can be a freelancer, a graphic designer can be a freelancer, a cinematographer can be a freelancer. They are themselves the business. And so they jump from one project to another. They don't have a base. And that's what we call a freelancer. It's good to be a freelancer. That's why we all started. I also started as a freelancer. But then it's good for us to grow from one level to the other so that we cannot remain at one level. That is why I encourage strategic thinking when it comes to creating a business, especially for creatives. Most of us creatives are not strategic. We are more creative than strategic. But you see, at the end of the day, strategy will always win over creativity. You being more strategic is more beneficial to you than being just creative. And those businesses that really thrive are businesses that are more strategic oriented than creative oriented. If you are a photographer and you are so creative and I am a strategic business person, I can create a photography business and employ you to be the creative of the business. I don't have to be a creative to run a creative business. I just need to have creatives working for me. And that's why strategy is more important than creativity. Why? Strategy will always make creativity valuable. So one of the way I saw work best for me to transit from being a freelancer to a business is structuring my business in such a way that I can work on many businesses or many projects at a time, and two, I can get out of the business and still the business will continue. So to do that, I had to create a team. And there are three ways how I thought to create a team. And that's what I'm going to talk about here. It's how to start developing a team. Building a team is a different video. Now we're going to talk about how to build an effective, healthy team. There are several things you need to do as the leader of the team. And this is especially to you who is running a business as a team leader. However, how do you start developing a team? Where do you even start? Number one, you need to identify the right people. It's not about the skilled. It's about, is this the right person? People are an asset to a business. And there's a guy called Marcus Lamonis who always says that he has 3 P's in business. He cares about people, product, and the process. Because the people are very important. The people are what makes a business. Kenya is Kenya because of the people. Safaricom is Safaricom because of the people. Telcom is Telcom because of the people. Each and every company is built upon good people. And so people are very important. So if you don't get the right person and bring a person who is not right to the team, he will make your business worse than it was before the person came. And so you need to look for the right person. As a creative business owner, you should be very keen on whom you bring on board as a team, because your team member carries the culture of your business. A team member carries the goal of your business. He sells the goals of your business to even your clients. So if you have a bad team member who does not understand you, does not understand your business and your goals and aspirations, you're gone. So you need to get the right person. There are 3 ways to create a team. 3 ways to create a team. Number 1 is to teach. And this is the easiest. And I'll give you a very good example. If you are a photographer right now and you need a team, the best thing you would do is go look for a person who really wants to learn from you, bring them on board, teach them the way to do the skill. Make sure that you teach them how to do photography, how to book clients, teach them how to edit, teach them how to do business administration. And that's how you increase a team. If you want more team members, take the teaching approach. Bring them on board, teach them how to do the business, and let them work for you as you teach them. Let them be, it's called an assistant, or for example, an intern. Make sure that they come to your business and let them learn as you create that team. That's the easiest, and I think that's the cheapest way to get a team member, meaning that these people already trust you. They know that you offer them value, that you are better than them, and so they will come submit to you. You'll give them free knowledge, and then they will offer you free service. They will take you for shoots, become your assistants. They will edit for you pictures as they learn. They will continue to bring more ideas to the business because they want to grow and to grow with your business. Number 2, the second way is employment. This is for businesses who have cash flow and they have money set aside to give a salary to a person. And these are businesses that are turning over. You're not supposed to pay more than 30% of your income on salaries. You're supposed to send at least 30%, not more than that. And so if you have money left over and you can employ a person like an editor, then you can go and employ a person. This person now will do not only what he has come to do. You can give them a task. You can either give them a monthly salary or a weekly wage, or you can pay them per project as long as you've employed them. So one other way to grow your team or to create a team is employ people. You can employ an editor, a receptionist, a production assistant. You can employ a video editor or a shooter or a cinematographer. That's how production companies work. They employ people. So that's the second way. And the third way is to partner. And to me, of late, I have seen this the most, I would not say simple, but it is the most appropriate way if I do not have money to employ, and if I don't think teaching a person is not valuable to a business. Teaching is a lot of work, and you'll have to do a lot of work trying to supervise the student as they learn. And so it does not make any difference from being alone, because you now have to teach this person. You have to always supervise them. On employment, I think most people don't have the money to put a person under salary, and creatives are expensive. So the best way is to partner. And whom do you partner with? Will you partner with a person who you know is bringing a value that is totally different from you? For example, if I'm a photographer, I cannot partner with another photographer. In a production company, I will partner with a cinematographer. If I'm a cinematographer, I will partner with an editor. A person who is as good as me or even better than me and doing something different than I do that the company needs. And that's a partnership. And so one way to build a team is building partnership. Go to look for a person who is so much valuable to your business, but then you cannot pay them a salary, and they are good than you. Some of these people are expensive. I have partnered with people who are very expensive, and since I cannot afford to pay them a salary to work in my business, I give them a stake in my business. And I tell them, now, instead of go building your business, come, let's build this business. I give you a certain percentage of the business and we run this business together. But that person has to be very good, like I am, or more than I am, so that I can learn from them And secondly, they have to do something different than I am doing, something that the business needs. And I hope you have understood. Those are the 3 simple ways for you to start creating a team. It's impossible for a freelancer to do 2 weddings in a Saturday. But for us, we can do 2-3 weddings in a Saturday. Why? We have a team. At one team can go to wedding A, wedding B, wedding C. We can do 2 live streams at a go. Why? Because we have a team. And so, if you want to scale your business, you cannot work as a freelancer. You need to work as a business, and a business is run by people. Have people to work for you. Once you are shooting, another person is editing in the office, so you can do 3 shoots and still deliver on time because you are working as a team. So those are the 3 ways, and hope you will go sit down and evaluate and see which is the best way for you to develop a team. That is if you want to grow a business and scale your business. Thank you for listening to us. It has been a pleasure. Hope you will comment below what you think about the video and other ways you think you can create a team. Those are my 3 best options for creating and starting to create a team. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to the channel, once again, I give you the chance to subscribe to the channel, because it is impossible for you to get notifications if you're not subscribed. And we release so much content every week, and I do not want you to miss each and every episode. So click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell notification button to get notifications every time we release a new video. Also, we have a podcast. Go in the link in the description below. That podcast is not about making pictures. It's about building a business using marketing and business strategies. So if you care about building a business and using the latest and most effective marketing strategies and business strategies, then the podcast will be so beneficial to you. Go and listen to the podcast. And until next time, always remember that there are 3 things that will make you grow: learn, practice, and create to become a better creative. And remember, also build a business. I have been your host, Njoroge Jonathan. Bye and peace.